In this video, we'll go over what click segmentation is and how you can use it to establish a better relationship with your contacts. Click segmentation enables you to segment your contacts based on what links they click in your emails. Anytime a contact clicks a link, button, or image in one of your messages, they're automatically added to a contact list of your choosing. Anything in your email that can be made into a link can use click segmentation. We'll go over each option to give you a better idea of how you can use this feature in your emails. But let's start with a plain text link. Highlight the text you want to add a link to and click Link. Select Web Page and paste your URL into the link URL box. Then click the checkbox to enable click segmentation. Now it's time to select the list you want contacts to be added to when they click your link. Either click the drop-down and select an existing contact list, or click Create New List and give it a name. Then click Insert. Now any contacts that click the link will be added to your new list. Next, let's take a look at adding click segmentation to a button. Click to edit your button and then click Link. Select Web Page and paste your URL into the link URL box. Same as making a text link. Click the checkbox to enable click segmentation, select your list, and click Insert. Adding click segmentation to an image is exactly the same as adding it to a button or text link. Segmenting your contacts and creating content that is unique to their interests is crucial to seeing higher open and click-through rates. Start building better contact lists and better relationships today with click segmentation and Constant Contact.